Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class. Today we have to do work on Al-Hira English workbook, and we are going to learn how to write Q. This is your Al-Hira English workbook. Okay, let's read this board. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. English reading phonics sheet. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is AF. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B-bo. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C-ko. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D-do. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E-F. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F-for. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G-go. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H-ho. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter is I-A. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J-jo. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K-ko. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L-lo. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M-mo. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N-no. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O-o. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P-po. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter is Q-ko. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter is R-ro. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S-so. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T-to. Name of the letter U is U, but the sound of the letter is U-yo. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V-wo. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W-wo. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y-yo. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z-zo. Okay, now first we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath force port. Then put your middle finger underneath force port. So this is the right way to hold a pencil. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. Okay, let's learn how to write Q. First we learn that as you know it, we write Q in first 3 lines. So 4-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly. It will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. So now we have to write Q. Draw a circle in between first 3 lines and draw a slanting line, a little slanting line on the 3rd line to write Q. How to write Q? Draw a circle in between first 3 lines and draw a slanting line which is crossing the circle to write Q. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of letter is Q ka. Q ka coil. Q ka coil. Now how to write small q? Draw a semicircle in between two middle lines. Then draw a straight standing line between last three lines and make a little curve to write Q. Q ka coil. Q ka coil. Q ka coil. Q ka quiet. Q ka quilt. Coil, quiet, quilt. Q ka coil. Q ka quiet. Q ka quilt. Now trace on these dots and write Q in clear line. Draw a circle in first three lines and draw a slanting line which is crossing to the circle to write Q, and you have to write small q. Draw a semicircle in between two middle lines. Draw a standing line in last three lines and make a curve and make a little curve to write Q. Q ko queen. Q ko queen. So you have to trace on this queen, write queen in clear line, color on the picture, and I'm repeating it how to write Q. Draw a circle in between first three lines and draw a slanting line which is crossing to the circle from the third line to write Q, and draw a semicircle in between two middle lines. Draw a standing line in the last three lines and make a little curve to write small q. Good. Now you know how to write Q. So nursery class, you have to do practice to write this letter Q and complete your work on your Al Hira English workbook, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.